What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to TWR. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. We are here in the shop, and I want to show off some really awesome snakes that we just got in. They're going to be here and being put in on for sale here, but for now they're still in their tubs. I just want to show some of off what we got in the shop. So this one says it is a Banana Fire Black Pastel. Beautiful. Banana Fire Black Pastel. A royal ball python there. Or royal python. Not a royal ball python, just a royal python. Alright, there is nothing in that one. Oh, this one. Oh, it's Retic. Motley, Sunfire, Lavender. Oh, I'm stoked. I'm stoked about the Retics. I mean, they're going to go quickly, so I'll probably have a very limited time to enjoy them. But, ooh, this one's going into shed. It's beautiful. Motley, Sunfire, Lavender. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I like the brightness of that head. I like how orange or tan is like peachish. Like, this looks a little bit more orange on the camera, but for me, it's really peach. Like a light peach or light orange sherbet almost. Either way, very beautiful, very beautiful. Next up, get this closed properly. Don't want any escapes. All right. Oh, that locked. Next up, we got just a Sun Tiger. Oh, look at that beautiful thing. Still in the bag. I ain't gonna disturb him too much. Just gonna get a little footage. Wow. Stunning. Super beautiful. Woo. Alright, there you go. Ooh, you look like you're ready to light something up. Look at that iridescence. Beautiful species. I love Retics. I'm excited that we got some in. Alright. Boo. Next up is a Motley Sunfire. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at those eyes. Wow. Those eyes are beautiful. They're like silver. I'm digging it. You're following me, so I'm having a hard time getting just the eyeballs. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Sick. So beautiful. Love it. Love it. Motley Sunfire Retic. Nice. Next up, Orange Glow Motley Sun Tiger. I think that was I said Motley Sunfire. That's a Motley Sun Tiger. This is a Orange Glow Motley Sun Tiger. Ooh. That one is so clean. I really like this. Like those little spot and speckling dots are like almost purple. They look a little gray, the thing, but they're like purplish. Real pretty. Again, that's the Orange Glow Motley Sun Tiger. Alright, cool. Moving on to the next one. We got a Motley Sunfire. Is that the same one that was over there? Or no, that was a Sun Tiger, wasn't it? This is a Sunfire. So a Motley Sun Tiger and a Motley Sunfire. So this is a Sunfire. Wow. I like that. I really like that. Like a lot. Real pretty. Motley Sunfire. Not to be confused with that Motley Sun Tiger. Alright, let you chill. And then last thing we got up in here, it's just like a black pastel. He's pretty mean and feisty, so I want to be a little safe and not get too close. But yeah, look at how dark that is. That's beautiful. I don't want it to strike the camera and hurt itself, so I'm not going to get close, but wow. I really, really like super melanistic animals. Like really dark animals like this. I really like them. I like them a lot. But real beautiful. That's a black pastel royal python. Alright, I'm going to let him chill. He don't look too happy with me, so until they put them all away in the cages, that's where they're going to go. So there we go. That is large shipment of animals we got in. Well, not shipment, but a large pickup of animals we got in for the shop. Lots of retics. First time having retics in the store since I've been working here, so yeah. Whoa, I was gonna end that video right there, but then I came back here and realized that we actually got a bunch of corn snakes in. We got a lot more than this, but these are the 4 different morphs that we got. We got a gold dust corn snake. Very pretty. I like it a lot. It's gold dust, little babies. Over here we have a hypo. I think this may be the only hypo that I saw in the whole bunch. So we've got a hypo corn snake. And moving on down, we have an amelanistic corn snake, or amel. Super, super cute. Really like the colors on that one. And last but not least, we got a ghost corn snake, which we actually have an adult one of these in our other store. So when I am working over there again, I'm going to take a little quick video of that one so y'all can see what this would look like as an adult. But super cute. I like the almost black and white contrast of it. It's like gray and white. It's super pretty. So now that, I believe, is all the different pickups, not including just like, these are just a few, like I said, but these are the different morphs that we got and multiples of these. So yeah, now I will wrap up the video. You all take care, love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you all keep spreading those herps.